Good morning everyone. Welcome to online classes. In the last class, we shall discuss about the interest on drawings, how to calculate interest on drawings under product method with the different situations. So in this class, we have to calculate interest on drawings with different calculations. So in the question, they have to make a small changes. During that time, we have to eradicate that changes and we have to calculate the interest on drawings. Let's come to one sum. Mr. A partner who withdrawn rupees 1000 at the end of each month, ending for 6 months, date also 30th 9 2019. So calculate interest on drawings under product method. So in the question itself, they have clearly mentioned that you have to calculate interest on drawings under product method. In the last class, in the last question, they are given different amount with the beginning of the month, but in this class the question has twisted at the end of each month. So if like this kind of classification, like this kind of changes they are given, means we have to calculate interest on drawings by using the two steps only. So first analyze. Mr. A, here partner is Mr. A, who withdrawn rupees 1000 at the end of every month. So we have to assume that always the accounting year will be begins on 1st April and ends with 31st March of the next upcoming year. So this 12 months duration will be considered as a one financial year. So each month endings, that means the end of each month, whether it may be 30th or it may be 31st, how many days it will come, we have to eradicate that one. For 6 months ending, so ending date duration also given 30th 9 2019. So this is the ending duration. So totally the person has withdrawn, so from April to September. So how many months we have to get? First we have to find out that one and calculate interest on drawings under product method. So method also they are mentioned, product method. If the mention method is not mentioned, means we can assume that one is a direct method. If it is a product method, means compulsory they have to identify it. So this is the question. Let's move for a solution. So under the solution, so what we are going to calculate means calculation of interest on drawings. First write down the heading. Calculation of interest on drawings. Calculation of interest on drawings. So first we have to identify what we have to calculate. So interest on drawings. How to calculate interest on drawings? We have a one formula. So interest on drawings is equal total product into rate of interest into 1 divided by 12. So this is the formula. With the help of this formula, we have to calculate interest on drawings. So rate of interest in this question they are not given. Whenever the rate of interest is not given, means we have to assume the rate of interest is 10%. That we have to assume. So total rate of interest they are given 10%. Total product they won't given. First we have to calculate the total product in the step number 1. First we have to calculate total product by step number 1. Step 1. Calculation of total product. Calculation of total product. While calculating the product, we have to create one table. With the help of that table, we will get the total product. So here 4 columns will come. So column number 1, date of drawings. This is column number 1. Column number 2, amount of drawings. Column number 2. Column number 3, number of outstanding months. Number of outstanding months. In the last column, product. In the last column, we will get product. So with the help of this table, we have to calculate total product. So date of drawings, they are not given a particular date, but they are given some hint. What is that means? At the end of each month, for 6 months ending 30th/9/2019. So beginning of that month means we have to consider from 1st April. But in this question they are given the ending of the month. So we have to write the date of end of the month, that is the April 34, 2019. May 31/5, 2019. June 36, 2019. July 31/7, 2019. August 31/8, 2019. And the September, so 39, 2019. For 6 months they are given, no? So here 6 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally number of duration is 6 months they are given, but they are withdrawing at the end of each month. The sum fixed amount they are given, what is that means? 1000 rupees. So we have to write down 1000 rupees for each month. The person has withdrawn rupees 1000 at the end of each month. Six months monthly he is withdrawing rupees 1000 per month. Now we have to calculate number of outstanding months. So how to calculate number of outstanding months means from the date of drawings to the date ending, that is 30th/9/2019, how many months we have to get. So that duration we have to calculate it. So actually when we have to counting from the April means it will come 6 months. But the date what they is going to withdraw, 30th April they are given. So that April month is a countless. We have to countable from the month of May onwards. We have to calculate. April will not come. So April is the last date he is going to withdraw. We have to calculate from the month of May. That is May, June, July, August, September. So we will get 5 months. In the second withdrawings, that is 31st May he is going to withdraw. So May month is countless. So we have to consider from June, July, August, September. So each and every outstanding month, every drawing, one month will be reduced. So from 30th to 6 means 6 will not come. 7, 8, 9, 3 months. So 7 is going to withdraw. 7th is countless. 8, 9 will get 2 months. 31st 8 they are given. So 31st 8 is not countable. So we have to consider only 1 month. In the last rate 30th 9 means that month is a countless. It will consider as a 0. So we won't consider any month in this duration. So totally number of outstanding months 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. In the last withdrawing, no need to consider that month because he is withdrawing at the end of the each month. So this month is a countless. Now we have to calculate the product. How to calculate the product base? By multiplying column number 2 with column number 3. So 1000 into 5 we will get 5000 rupees. 1000 into 4 we will get 4000 rupees. 1000 into 3 we will get 3000 rupees. And finally 1000 with 2, 2000 rupees. 1000 into 1, 1000 rupees. Why? We should multiply it with any frequency with 0. We will get 0 only. We won't consider the any value. By adding all the 5 values, we will get one sum. That sum will be considered as a total product. This sum only consider as a total product. Total product. By adding this one, 5,000 plus 4,000, 9,000, 9,000 plus 3,000, 12,000, 12 plus 2, 14,000, 14,000 plus 1,000 will get 15,000 is the total product. The formula, the first thing we needed, we have to calculate in the step number 1, that is 15,000. This is the step number 1. So once we have to calculate it, or we have to find out step number 1, we will move to step number 2. Step number 2, calculation of interest on drawings. So while calculating interest on drawings is equal total product. Already we have to calculate it, that value. Rate of interest given 10% into 1 divided by 12 per month. How much of interest we have to pay, that we have to consider. So now interest on drawings we don't know. So total product already we have to calculate it, 15,000 into rate of interest 10% into 1 divided by 12. This is the common value which is available in our formula itself. So in the step number 2, 15,000 into 10%, 1,500 into 1 divided by 12, we will get one value. 1,500 into 1 divided by 12. So we will get one value. Interest on drawings is equal 125 rupees. 125 rupees is the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. So like this we have to calculate interest on drawings under product method. If he is given the end of the month, the partner has withdrawn at the end of the month, means we have to calculate interest on drawings in this manner only. So this is the third sum.